Alright, we're out here in the garage, doing a little bit of maintenance on the CRF100. This is the 2011, we just recently bought it. The guy, he couldn't figure out why he couldn't really get it to run right, so he ended up stepping up the main jet, or was it the pilot jet? It might have been the pilot jet that he stepped up one. I don't know. We'll figure that out in the off season. I'm not worrying about it right now because it at least runs fine. It's just it's definitely running rich, but we're only gonna another 3-4 months we'll pull that carb apart and we'll actually put the stock jets back in it and go through it and look it over. So that'll be another project. But for right now, so basically the things that this bike needs are some sprockets, front and rear. You can see how worn those are. This chain is super worn out. And yeah, we got Barrett out here helping us. Say hi. Barrett, say hi. There's Jackson. So this is Jackson's bike. And anyways, the brakes don't work so great either. So we're gonna end up checking out the brakes while we're at it. So the reason the guy couldn't get it to run right though was we've cleaned up some of the sins now, but they were right down in there. That is a big old mouse nest, just completely caked in that airbox housing. So anyways, we have to pull the cover off in order to get to the sprocket. That's silly. I wish someone would make a two-piece replacement or something, so that way you don't have to take that off. But anyways, it's not that hard to do, of course. But we're gonna do it. Hey, what's going on there? Huh? It's Barrett's bedtime. So anyways, let's look at this front sprocket here. Front sprocket doesn't look horrible, but it's definitely worn. I mean, look at the gap there. And this length, that should be closer to the same diameter, but so it's definitely worn out. But we got to scrape off the gaskets, get this back together. Barrett, hold on, buddy. Yeah, he's 2 years old. So anyways, change the oil. I already put a new spark plug in it. We're gonna have got the new filter, got it all oiled up, so it's ready to go. And hopefully we can pull the brakes apart, rear brakes apart, at least for now. We might do the front brakes too. I got everything here. I like to make everything match as far as brakes wise. So, but we'll see what we have as far as time and go from there. But yeah, nice little machine. Get her running 100% and be ready to rip all year long.